Sport mode is a beast. Holy. MTV. That was on accident. They totally got an MTV plate. That's awesome. Man, you guys. Okay, so it's not currently happening, but I've been having one of those days where I just leave my freaking turn signal on all the time. Which is... Oh, you're going to wait for me, huh, bro? Cool, man. So I've been leaving my turn signal on all the time. It's off now. Finally, I remembered it. I hate that when that happens. I feel like a dumbass. But, I don't know, whatever. I'm sure it happens to everybody. And it happens. It's just one of those things. There, I turned it off. I'm trying to be, like, legit now. I'm trying to turn off the turn signal. There's no reason to just leave turn signals on all frickin' day. What the hell? You guys ever have that? Just leave your turn signal on all the time? It's like a frickin' pet peeve. Totally. I have some... That's like one of... I don't know. It's a pet peeve when I do it. When I see other people doing it. I don't really... I don't know. I'm not one to just like make fun of them. Or whatever. It doesn't, you know... If it's my buddy or something and we're on Bluetooth, then I'll be like, hey man, turn signal's on. But it's not, I'm not doing it meaning like, hey dumbass, use your freaking turn signal on, you stupid. Not one of those. Not one of those. But yeah, so, but it's a pet peeve totally when I leave it on. When I leave it on, it's like, God, I feel like a giant idiot. And feel like everyone else is thinking that about me. That I'm a giant idiot. Need one of those. Need some kind of like... Come on, can't they just make like a handlebar sensor or something? No. Some other kind of sensor. Like a lean angle sensor. Or a combination of both. Can my bike just know everything I'm doing and read my mind? Just kidding. I wouldn't be interested in that. It's kind of weird. Actually, the first street bike that I ever got, my Yamaha 1980 Yamaha 400 Special. That thing had a broken turn signal. I think it had one or two broken turn signals. So my dad and I just took the turn signals off. My dad was just like, "Forget it. We're taking the turn signals off, and you can just learn to use hand signals." And that's legit. He was just like, nope, you can use hand signals, it's fine, it's legal. And he used to do that all the time, use hand signals himself. So I even occasionally, like, I just start doing it without thinking on this thing. So I'm pretty used to, actually. Maybe that's why I leave it on, because I used to, like, I never used turn signals for many years riding that thing. I just always used hand signals. So now when I gotta like hit a little button and a thing, it's too foreign, man. It's too foreign. It's too futuristic. These futuristic, crazy Italian machines. Pretty wild. I will say one cool new thing about bikes that I like is side stand sensors. That's pretty awesome, actually, for it to kill the bike if you try to take off with the side stand down. It's happened to me several times, and I mean, God, I've known so many people back in the day that have dumped their bikes just because they left the side stand down. It's horrible. In fact, here's a heart-wrenching story. It happened to my dad on his 78 900 Ducati Dharma. So the paint on it is slightly different now. It's black and white, and the Ducati letters are solid instead of the double line like on my jacket, which is a serious bummer. And then the stripe along the tank and back onto the tail section is white instead of the gold. you know, original, all that stuff was gold, and it was the double line. And it's because he left that side stand down and took a corner and dumped it. It's bad news. That was crazy. Crazy. I remember that when I was a kid. It sucked. Anyway, that is a modern convenience that I enjoy. Along with heated grips, there's a bunch of stuff. Anyways, let's talk about that stuff. What modern conveniences do you guys like, and which do you think can F off? Alright, I gotta go home. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Two Wheel Ton, check me out on Instagram. You guys are the best.